So Todd, tell me, what is one of your favorite roles that you have performed?
Well, my most recent favorite role is playing Harry the Horse in Guys and Dolls last summer. At the Source of Bell Playhouse.
Guys and Dolls is one of my favorite shows, and sadly, I've never been cast in that show. That's okay. Now I'm too old. It's all good. But my favorite role, well, I will have to say that was Mrs. Salaberry. We were able to play opposite you.
Well, then you're in for a good luck because we have Mary O'Connor singing Sit Down, You're Rocking the Boat from Guys and Dolls, and Sandy Radnitsky singing Where is Love from Opera.
I dreamed last night I was on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone fed me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong, for the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel on your head coat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a ball in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist, for the people all said, beware, beware, you're rocking the boat. People all said, beware, sit down, you're rocking the boat, and the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie round your wicked throat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. For the devil will drag you under with a soul so heavy you'd never float. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat.